इस तन्हाई में कभी गए ज़माने याद आते हैं, कुछ पल रुलाते हैं, यूं कुछ लोग याद आते हैं। जिंदगी थम सी गई है, वक्त का दरिया नहीं रुका, लेकिन लम्हा बलम्हा सांसों की मानद वक्त के फूल मुरझाते हैं। तंगे वक्त में उम्र गुजारी है मैंने, बहुत अरसा फुर्सत की दुआएं मांगी हैं। फुर्सत तो पाई मैंने, मगर उस दौर में जहां मिलना मिलाना जुर्म कहलाता है। जिंदगी है अब तो बुझे चिराग की मानद, और रूह में कई दीप झिलमिलाते हैं। क्यों इस चांद की रोशनी बुझी बुझी सी है, क्यों ये सितारे टूट के बिखर से जाते हैं। कलम हाथ में हो तो सहारा मिलता है, यही अल्फाज हैं जो मुझे मेरे माजी से मिलाते हैं।
These are just incredible numbers, depicting incredible loss.
And while the virus spread rapidly, people stayed home where the wind decided. They were calm, they were still, they were reflective, but most importantly, for the first time in decades, they were united. While humans rested, they faced their weaknesses, accepted their flaws, reevaluated their choices. They healed in the absence of capitalism, ignorance, and selfishness. The earth began to heal too. You could finally hear the birds chirping. The sky became more blue. The oceans became more full. One thing this horrid time has taught us is that love conquers all. Love and care for each other is the answer. We are the muffled chatter, smiles, and laughter that makes this world lively. We're not Pakistanis. We're not Canadian. We're not Italian. We are Earth. We have unified in the face of tragedy. We have broken barriers that take so long to break. And finally, we're equals. Being selfish cannot be an option from this point forward. We are one.